Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I want to go over how to edit your KW marketing profile from within your KW Command mobile app. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to find your Command app. It should look similar to the one on my screen here, being a red square with a white KW, and it should say Command right underneath that. Now, once we click on that, um, you can see we're already logged in. Now to access our marketing profile, we want to click our name and photo in the top left corner. Now from there, you'll see that we have our personal and our team, and below that we have the profile. Now, this profile within the Command app is your marketing profile. Now, it is important to get this one updated. This one does feed over to your KW website, to your KW Command app. It's also going to be what is populating within your digital business card that is shown uh, right below the profile. You'll see we have my business card. So we want to make sure we hit that profile and we click the right edit button or the edit button in the right hand corner. Now from there you can see we can edit our photo by selecting change. We can select from library, files, or we can take a photo from our phone. Below that you can edit your details, so name, first and last, as well as your title. You can edit your name, or I'm sorry, you can edit your phone number, both mobile and office, your email, your website. Now keep in mind with your website, it is going to need to be the full URL. And if you're using a KW site, you just want to make sure you're not adding a www. That may cause an error when people are accessing that. Below that, you have your market center information that you can edit. So brokerage name, phone number, address, city, state, zip code, and of course the license number if you have it. Below that, you can also edit your social media. So if you have public facing URLs for those social media platforms, you can edit those here. Now, there are a few things within this Command mobile that you cannot edit from the marketing profile. So for those other items, you would still want to access that through your marketing profile in the Command desktop. But once we're done editing this, you just want to make sure you hit save in that top right hand corner, and that will update all of that information right here in your phone. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support email at support@scottleroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.